Hey, my friends, it's Paul Bertzel here, and I'm about to show you something that I've quietly been keeping to myself, earning $500 a day. As you can see on the screen, I've earned over $200,000 with this opportunity. It's not about selling, it's not about recruiting other people or anything like that. It's a simple copy and paste way to make money online. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it, where to do it, and how you can get started for free. And you can join me making this kind of money sitting at home, copying and pasting. Okay, on this video, I'm going to break open the lid on a $60 billion industry. Okay, so now follow along and pay attention. There'll be a link for you to join that you can go and join for free to this company. And you can get started and do what I'm about to show you. But I'm going to show you not only how simple it is, but I'm going to show you what you're going to actually be doing, covering lots of information, questions you might have right now. But if you're serious about making money online, this is the first time I'm making a video like this about this opportunity. So you should really take heed to it and follow along. Okay, so once you decide, after I show you how easy and simple this is to make money from home, you're gonna whether you do it part-time, full-time, whatever, you're gonna want to click the link below in the description box below this video. I'll put a link in there so you can go directly to it. It's not about selling things, referring other people, getting other people involved or anything like that. If you want to do all that, send me an email. I'll show you. I can hook you up to show you how to do that, but that's not what I'm about to show you. What I'm going to show you is to do a simple copy and paste and make money. So once you head over to the link in the description box, you'll come to a page that looks like this. You're going to want to put in your name and email address. You're registered and you're ready to go. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to be guided from it. You'll get an email, but you'll also get guided right immediately into this company. Okay. There's 4 steps that you're going to follow. Any imitators don't have 4 steps. So pay attention. If you're not familiar with the unclaimed bank account industry, it's $60 billion. Okay. And what you're going to be doing is going through the government regulated databases that require financial institutions that are holding people's money that they're not aware they have to release it to them. And your job is just to go through the databases, find accounts, and submit them into this company, and you're going to get paid every single Friday. Okay, I'm not going to talk about, you can go find out when you create your account and you go to step 4, you decide how you want to get paid. Okay, what I'm going to show you on here and spend the time on this video is showing you exactly how simple this is, and by far this will be the easiest way that you have ever seen to make money online. Okay, it's not affiliate marketing, you're not, I do all that kind of stuff. Don't get me wrong. There's lots of ways I make money online, but this is for every single person that has said no or could not figure out internet marketing. And for those that even did, because it's an easy way to make $500 or $1,000 a day. Okay, all you're going to do in step 1, I encourage you to watch the orientation video, of course, but once you get over there, and if you want to learn more about the unclaimed bank account industry, click on the links up there. You can see my name in the leaderboard and all those kind of things. There's FAQs, all that stuff. Okay, but step 1, you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to a page that will walk you through in the video, but I'm doing it here. So what you're going to do is be able to go through any of these data banks, find accounts that are over $250, and you're going to get a 10% copy and paste fee. Okay, really, I'll show you what you got to do because I'm going to actually do it live in this video. Okay, you're going to get a 10%. So at the bare minimum, if you just find and copy and paste one of these accounts, you're going to get $25 minimum. Okay, but you'll see that there's much more to do. So I'm in Canada, so I'm going to click on the Bank of Canada, but it doesn't matter where you are in the world to do this opportunity. Okay, it's free to join. You don't need to be in Canada to do only the Canadian one. Most of the time I'll do Texas because I find that the easiest database, that and the Bank of Canada, but you can do any of these data banks that they have here, and they do update them frequently. Okay, and what you're going to do once you have got to it, so just for instance, I'm showing you what to do. So I'm putting an individual, and you're not talking to these people, you're not trying to find these people, you're not doing anything, you're only going through the database. So what you're going to do is you're going to use a memory jogger, you can use a phone book if you want, you can try your own name, whatever. You want to do is put in any last name, especially ones that are, common names like Jones, Smith, Johnson, those kind of things. But you also want to get creative. There's over 20 million accounts in these government regulated databases. Okay, so there's tons to go around. So I'm just going to punch in a real basic name. Actually, I should search my name to show you that I don't have any money, but I've checked for myself. Obviously, you want to check for yourself too. But you want to put in a common name. So I'm going to punch in Johnson. Okay, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, now what's going to come up, because I was not specific, is a whole bunch of accounts. Like I said, there's over 20 million accounts in here, and most of them are not going to be the ones that you're looking for. You're not going to want to copy and paste the ones that are under $250. As you'll see, most of them will be there. Here's a $5,000 one. I'm not even going to... This person is owed $5,000 from the Manitoba Hydro, so we're not going to do that one because that one was too easy. Okay, here's one. So Abel or Johnson, Wayne, or Paul. Okay, this person's in Calgary, up in Canada. Here's the bank. They're reported by the bank, which is legislation, both in Canada and the United States. They have to release this information to the public. This company is a recovery brokerage. Okay, the company we'll be working for. So what they do. So for instance, just to give you an idea here, there's a $10,000 one here. Perfect. So on that account, for instance, but I'll do the small one just to show you a simple one because it seemed too lucky that I found a big one like that. So on this one, when I process this one and I copy and paste this one onto the claim form and I submit it into the company, I'm going to get paid on Friday 10% of this. Okay, they pay out every 2 weeks, or sorry, 2 weeks after you make your copy and paste submission. Okay, so I'm going to make on this one, I'm going to make over $1,000 on this one, but I'm going to go up to the easy one here. Okay, so this one's $277. You've seen how fast and easy it was to find this one, and folks, there's 25 pages of just the last name Johnson. I could put Johnston, I could put Jones, I could put Smith. You'll find that you're going to go through these websites. Some of them are tiny. Look at $4.63. This person doesn't even know they have. This one is Al Johnson. He has over $10,000. This one, okay, for Mabel and Wayne or Paul, is $277. So I'm going to copy and paste this one, in which I'll show you the next step, what you're going to do. The next step, what you're going to do is you're going to go to here, step 2, where it says claim the account. And of course, you want to keep organized. You want to keep a spreadsheet. I do. You want to keep a spreadsheet of this information. So all the information that we need to copy and paste is found here. The account number, the name, the address of the person last known. The dormant account amount is $277.99. It was reported by the CIBC in Canada in Lac-La-Bouche, Alberta. I think I say that right. I don't know. And it is dormant. Okay, it's a savings account. All this information is the information we're going to need when we go back over to the claim form. So in step 2. So now that I've found an account, you can do up to 10 at a time. Okay, you put your information in here. Okay, you enter your information, put your phone number, put your email address. Are you planning? The question is, are you planning to submit the processing forms to the account files listed below within 72 hours? You obviously always say yes. If you refer to the program, and because you are watching this video and you referred, make sure you put my name in there so I get credit for it, okay? Because there's a promotion on right now where you could win a trip to the Bahamas, and I'd appreciate if you could do that because I want to win the trip, okay? Then now you're putting these file numbers at this point, just the file number, okay? So on this one, I'm going to copy and paste that number right there, copy and paste. And I'm going to put that name, that number, just for now, just that. Because here's why. Because I don't know if I'm going to get paid for this one or not yet. Because I need to make sure that the company needs to make sure that we're working with doesn't have other processors processing the same account. They can only pay out the 10% one time. They need to do that. So once you complete this, and I strongly suggest you do all 10 of them to make it worth your while, you can do as many of these in a day as you want. Okay, I generally do 20 to 30 every week, but I do the big ones like you've seen the $10,000 ones because I do other things online and ways to make money. And then what you do is you hit the submit form. Then you wait. It's usually only a couple hours at the max. Sometimes if it's not during business hours, it wouldn't be till the next day. You're going to get an email back from this company that we're going to be working with, and they're going to either approve or disapprove any of the account file numbers that you put in there. When they approve them, you're going to be sent a form that looks like this, okay? Where you put your name in, your email address, all that kind of stuff. But then it's going to ask you for that information that I found at the Bank of Canada website. All of this information here, I'm going to copy and paste this information into this form, and then I'm going to hit done. When I hit done, it's going to successfully send it into the company. Because I've already been approved for it, I'm guaranteed to get the 10%. So when I do this account for $277 and put that copy and paste after I've been approved, I'm going to get $27 and basically 80 cents. Okay, how long did it take me to do that, other than me talking to you over the phone, over this video? Okay, if I wasn't talking to you and trying to walk you through in tutorial, probably took me 5-10 minutes max. Okay, now there is a bit of wait time because you're going to wait for the company to send you back the approval to be able to process these accounts. They're going to send you the forms. You fill out these forms, submit them, go out and do it again. Once you've done your 10, go do another 10. Okay, if you have time to do that. If this is going to be your primary way to make money, and because you struggle at other things, you're not making that much money, you're going to want to do 10. Once you do your 10 and get approved for the 10, you're going to want to copy and paste those 10, and then the next day do it again. Okay, the amount of money that I've earned in a very short period of time. Now I'm taking a little bit more serious now because I've earned over $200,000 doing this year so far. And it's been sporadic, a little bit here, a little bit there. When I find the big ones, I did it. Now, anytime that I find anything over $250, I'm doing it. Why? Because my time is better spent here than trying to chase people around and try to recruit them into multi-level marketing programs and all that kind of crap. Okay? This is a simple copy and paste way to make money online, folks. You can do this. Everybody watching this video can do this. You can work with me, send me an email. My email is whoispaulbertzall@gmail.com. You can leave a comment underneath for me to get in touch with you on this video. You should subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be showing you and bringing you lots of ways to make money from home, just as simple as this. This is the copy and paste method. This is an easy way for anybody that hates recruiting, doesn't get the technical stuff online, doesn't want to sell stuff, doesn't want to try to convince people to do things. You do this and this is why I say it at the beginning of my video, I've quietly been making $500 a day or more simply copying and pasting. Okay? And my time is way better spent enjoying my life now because I found something like this. And then over the last 30, 60 days, I've got real serious about it, and I've started to earn a significant amount more money than the $500 to $1,000 a day, as you can imagine. Okay, these accounts never end. There's always new ones being added to the database. You can search these. This program is free. I don't know why you're still listening to me right now. Click the link in the description box below. Head over to the website that I just showed you. Put in your name and your email address and start making money with me. Okay, this is very simple and easy to do. Like I said, if you want to get a hold of me, put a comment below the section below or send me an email, whoispaulbertzall@gmail.com. Join me over at ubatracers.com. Don't settle for any substitutes. If it's not in the address bar, ubatracers.com. After you click the link below, because I get credit for that, so make sure you click that link, of course, right? I help you, you help me. Okay, we make money together. Okay, now this is the end of the video. You should be going right now, clicking the link in the description box, heading over to ubatracers.com through my link, so I get credit for it because I'm going to pay you back tenfold for doing that. Go create your free account, get started doing what I just showed you here. That's it. I know, I told you, there's nothing easier than what I promised you that. So I look forward to working with you as a copy and paste processor with this company. We're going to make a lot of money together, folks. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel. Check off the bell so when I upload more videos like this that show you how to make money, you are the first to know about it. And the only thing I'm going to bring you is things that are proven to work, that I know I can make money with, and that I can pass on the step-by-step tutorial to show you how to do it too. Thanks again for watching. I'm Paul Bertzall. Let's make some money.